I'm here on the UEN website, specifically the math, second grade math standards, under the domain of measurement and data. And we're specifically going to look at standard 8 that deals with money. So solving problems that involve using dollar bills, quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. And so if we go to the National Library of Virtual Manipulatives website, we can find a manipulative that down here labeled money. And on this site, the first thing that the students will see is they have to count the money that's just placed in front of them. So for instance, this one is $10, $20, $30, and 10, 15 cents. So they'll come down here and they'll put in $30 and 15 cents, and then they can check their answers. And then down below it'll give them feedback on their answer, either saying it's correct, or if the student got the answer wrong, say they put 5 cents, then they'll say, "Oop, that's too much," or 50 cents, sorry. They'll say that's too much, and the students will go back and have to recount the money until they get the correct answer. But it'll give them feedback on whether or not they're on the right track or not. The other thing that the site has is it gives you money on the board, and then it asks you to place an amount of money in the box. So this one says $36.11, but for the sake of time, I'm going to find one that's a little less. So this says $6.05. So I'm going to drag $6.05 into this box. So we'll have a $5 bill, a $1 bill will give us $6, and then a nickel will give us 5 cents. And then you can check your answer. Again, it'll give you feedback. If, however, I got it wrong, it'll give me feedback on that as well. Another thing on this site is called Make a Dollar. And so it'll give you an amount of coins down here, and then you will have to, students will drag the money down into the box to make a dollar. So this one will be 25, 50, 75, a dollar, because I know that 4 quarters make a dollar. Then students can check their answers, and then again it'll give feedback on students' answers. I think it's great that students can drag and have hands-on with these manipulatives, so that they can work with how much money is on the board, and also if they have an amount of money, how they can take out the amount that they need, and then also how to make a dollar out of the coins that they have. So I feel like this manipulative is very useful for teachers, and students can use them very effectively so that they can improve their learning.